What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Counting down the days I don't have to do vending on a Saturday. I only got 2 machines to do today, which is good, but I'm tired and it's freezing, so it's like 1 o'clock. I started really late today, so I'm kind of in a rush. Jesus, that scared me. I've got too many like boxes and cardboard in here. I really need to do a tip run. Yeah, it's getting a bit out of control. Wow, couldn't speak then. Right, okay. So 2 machines today. 2 machines. It's so cold. I like my Saturdays because I only really have to do 2 machines. During the week I have to do a lot more, but Saturdays it's just my busy machines that I have to do. And my furthest machines away, so I get to have a little bit of a sing-song in the car. So I'm in Best Ways Boys. I need Coke, Red Bull, Coke Zero, sugar-free Red Bull, and big Red Bull. So I really look bold today. Right, okay. We're on the cereal aisle, so we're not gonna get very far on here. I freaking hate filming in public, man. Awkward as fuck. Oh, maybe if you got any loose seeds left. Nope. Still none. Okay. Oh god, this just gives me pure anxiety filming in public, man. Okay. Coke. Right, just gonna get some Red Bull. Some more. They changed the size of the... There's only 12 in here now. Strange. Anyway, I'm going. Bye. Okay, boys and girls. Move that out of the way. So, I just got out of Best Ways and I spent £125.43. And then I spent another £9.59 on toothpaste. we are now heading to the furthest location away. I only have 2 locations today, so it should be done in 2 hours. And then we are going to see the new Dune film tonight, which I'm excited for. So yeah, I'm gonna go now because I'm driving. Bye. I'm having a bit of a nightmare. I have no screen wash and I can't see anything. So I'm thinking of nipping to a corner. I'm in the middle of nowhere, by the way, there's sheep. So I am gonna go and get some. There'll be a corner shop coming up, there always is, because obviously the corner shop doesn't move. So I'm gonna go and get a big bottle of water, or 2 big bottles of water, some washing up liquid, and create a atomic bomb, and put some screen wash in the car, and then I'll be able to actually have some vision and not crash. Yeah, so this is a day in my life and constant struggle. I genuinely can't see anything. I don't know if you can see the state of the windscreen. It probably doesn't look that bad on camera, but I genuinely can't see. I was on the motorway and I was trying to use back spray off other cars just so I could see. I really hope my mum, my dad, Meg doesn't watch this. I hope my boyfriend doesn't watch this, because I'm going to get in trouble, because I really should be checking these things before I go out on drives, especially the long drives that I do on a Saturday. Yeah. But hey-oh, I'm in the town where the vending machine is. Safe. I'm safe, sort of. Just lack of vision. I just need to find this corner shop, pull up and get some water so I can see. Yep, anyway, I will update you when I'm at the shop. Bye. I'm at Morrison's, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to get some washing up liquid and 2 big bottles of water and maybe a sandwich because I'm starving. Yeah, so I will be out in about 5 minutes, but it's literally going to be a second for you. Bye. My hands are freezing. I have a cheese sandwich, some chicken skewers, and I've also just reminded myself I just paid full price for a Lucozade Sport. But, you know, look at this. Yeah, man. I can now see. I got in the car, my foot slipped, and my foot absolutely twatted the pedal. And now I bruised my toe. I bruised my toe. Update. The coffee machine and the combination machine went in the new location. And it's doing really well, the sales. I thought it was only going to be weekday sales. No, I've had sales today. So, oh my god, it's dry. Yeah, went in. I'm gonna go now. It's in a bit. Right, I just got to the first location. I'm gonna try and remember to film because I always forget. So, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best for you guys, just for you guys.
Lift going up.
I'm recording. First location. Hey guys, I filmed in the first location. I wonder if I film in the second location. That's a different story. Right, okay. I'm gonna head there now. Hopefully I'll get there for, I don't know what time it is. Citron. Hopefully I should get there for 4. It's 22 now. I should get there in 20 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna where did you go? Provide entertainment and attention. Where did you go? Right, I'm gonna go. I will see you in 20 minutes. Bye. Right guys, if you like this video, I've got to be quiet because my boyfriend's in bed. But if you like this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, peace.